Yo guys, this is a girl model LHBSA and we are back with another banger. Welcome to Lil Kenji's YouTube channel. Please share, like and subscribe and turn on the notification. Here, obviously, we are testing the Kwababa thing.
We Kwababa testing. Your Kava got a beautiful hand. Just look at it. She had 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Wait, them people didn't see. Come back. I must hold her. Do it for them. Straight out. As she said, when we were operating a young testing Kwababa, you feel me? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And one thing, follow her, but she's dope. She's a model, you feel me? Thank you for your support. Keep on supporting, keep on subscribing. IG, TikTok, everywhere. Just keep on going crazy. I bet. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, I bet. Who am I here with?
Ntanhla.
Okay, can you like your voice? Okay,
Okay.
now my Ntanhla.
Sure.
I have a question for you, name.
Away.
Do you get hands?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, then.
The mummies. You do get them.
Yeah, sometimes.
You have Riz. Rate your Riz out of 10.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Or you got some lines, yan.
Yeah, I do.
I bet. Don't you have Guava?
Kwababa.
Yeah.
It's been some time since I've raised someone, but yeah. I would say Hanyai.
Kanyan.
Yeah.
Shoki. Mama, you see her most, my brother.
Yeah, she packed.
Shingani. She's for you.
She's for me.
Talk to her.
Talk to her. Away. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks yourself.
I'm great, thanks. My name is Ntanhla and you?
I'm blessing.
Blessing.
Yes.
I think you're about to be my blessing. I love your smile too. You're so beautiful. So Blessing, tell me about yourself a little bit.
Okay, like Mina, what could I say? I'm just a bubbly person,
Bubbly
like,
person.
yeah, too kind. Yeah.
Okay, I love that. Love the chain. Suits you nice with your dress. So, rate me out of 10.
You.
Yeah.
4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. Why 4? What happened to the other 6? Or should I work for that 6?
Nah, I don't think you'll be able to work for that 6.
Why?
Cause firstly, like, just look at you.
Okay.
Look at me.
Okay.
Nah, it's not matching at all.
It's not matching. Because of what?
Just look at yourself. Have you ever seen yourself?
Me.
Yeah.
Okay. You're going too rough, bro.
Nah.
You're going too rough. Like, serious. Now you're going too rough. Like, you're going too rough. And, like, I don't think that's the vibe here. But anyway, we're cool. Since I'm a 4, I feel like I gave you too much. But anyway, it's cool. You're also just a minimum 5, no problem. But what can we say?
Why minimum 5?
No. Wait. What?
Yeah,
Minimum
5.
Minimum 5.
Yeah, 5.
Wait, what rating I get first?
I didn't rate her. She's a 5. I just said she's pretty. And then
But
she
she's a-
felt herself. So what?
No, it's because I'm a full package. As
No,
you
you're
can
not. Who said so?
Yes,
Oh, no. No.
Yes, I
If they
am.
told you that, nah, you're not.
Nah, there is no need for someone to tell me that.
Oh, yeah,
'Cause
that's
I
why.
know I-
I get it where she comes from. The mirror always lies. We all know.
Nah.
It's fine.
Nah.
No problem.
The mirror doesn't
We
lie.
cool.
Wait, you say you say she's a minimum 5 just because she gave you a 4? Or
No.
That's
Just
how-
because of that's how it is.
That's how you feel?
Yeah, that's how I feel about it. I seen better.
Sing better.
Yeah, than her.
But she's not. Look
I
at
don't care. She had everything now, no, but the brains I don't think she has.
I do.
Where are they?
I do.
Where are they?
They're here.
Okay.
Okay, I bet. Okay, anyways, but like, okay. I bet your IG, TikTok.
My IG at Kino Bob _SA. Check me there.
I bet. But you weren't supposed to fry them, huh, bro? Just look
I
at
wasn't
them.
fighting. I was reason cool. She came with some feisty shit. Then I had to defend myself, bro. What the fuck?
I had to because, like,
Nah,
you're
bro.
not even that
Just
type.
chill. You too much. So yourself. What?
I bet.
You're not gonna humble me on my child. What the fuck?
That's it. Hey, that's too much.
Unobanda
Ngithokozisa.
thokozisa
Showcase.
awuringele
Okay.
phezulu nyana
Ngithokozisa.
yefeli khona ama question engifuna ukukubuza wona ne mara akhanda trick yangithola blind ngabantwana
Next. Mfana, angikhoplani.
Awukho-apply?
Angikhoplani.
Ungabheka ke mfana vandag ke sifuna ukuyiqeda ngibe yangithola. Pull up dog.
Abantu. Niwe.
Relax.
Relax.
You are shaking, my car.
Okay.
Even shaking was not nice.
So ngifuna relax. Ngifuna ukubheka. Ngishayela into eyi-1. Ngishayela into eyi-1.
Afana.
Ngoba Sara so.
Aye.
Fun.
Talk to her.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Happy definition.
I'm good. What's your name?
Ngithokoziswe nobani?
Pardon?
Ngithokoziswe nobani?
Mina ngu-Blessing. How old are you?
Why man so ufuna ukwazi age yawo?
No, like I'm just asking, how old are you?
Ngimdala.
Yeah, because vele uyabonakala, you look like a father of 5.
Yo, come in there. Come on. Come in.
Ngitshela sekayalwa. Ngilelani
Like, ngibuzile ngaba like, how old are you? Ngaba like, mdala. Yabo. So like, the reason why I'm asking is because like, ngimbona ngathi like, he's a father of 5.
Joe, unjani mumpekile yena?
Okay.
Okay. Kutheni ungamgangaki?
Okay.
Okay. Kutheni out of 10? Out of 10 ungamgangaki?
Out of 10.
Yeah.
Guy,
8. Lenye ithuiva. Lenye ithuiva.
Hayi, something what?
Give me the winner. Out of 10.
Out of 5.
Chilled nigga, bro.
Negative 100.
He chilled as fuck.
Bye-bye.
Damn! The nigga's cooking. Don't forget to show my treat. Yo. Chill. My nigga. Yeah, fanozakale. I don't know. Gents. Vandag nek laat die kem vanod lazini. Kem tusaka content. Kem vanaka. Gents, subscribe, like, comment, share. Agiti, onyaka uka coaster, onyaka uka ba enemy arena.
They gotta make sure that they subscribe. Road to 10K subs before June.
I 15 dog. 15.
For March.
15 dog.
15K.
You got me. Chill.
15K.
Yeah.
15. Bro, we only at 6K.
15. We coming. We still cooking, gents. We still cooking. We coming.
Okay, say, mina ngikubuza umbuzo.
Yeah.
Okay, who am I here with? Like nobani.
Unobani? Unabachita.
No, wena. Nobani.
Mina ngiwani. Nobani, ngiwani.
Ubani.
Oh, ubani.
Yeah,
Oh, Sifiso ta.
Sfiso.
Yeah.
My Sfiso. Do you get mummies like abantwana? Do you get hands? Abantwana like uyabathola abantwana like with abantwana.
Yeah, like abantwana angisabadli njengakuqala. Sengimane ngiyahwathazisa nje yabona.
Unekwa baba.
Yeah, ayikhona.
Khona kwa baba.
Yeah, ayikhona.
Don't worry, we're gonna fix it.
Eh?
So you fix her. We're gonna fix it.
Uzayifixa.
Hloki.
Kangibonisa. Bengibaba macala yabona mayisithi ngiphethe.
She's bad, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You hands on my back, so khuluma shit. Okay, ne? Talk to her.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Right, wena njani?
Ngiyaphila. What's your name?
Igama lami uSifiso wena njani? Wena ubani?
Mina ngu-Blessing.
Oh, Blessing.
Yeah.
Jabula ukwazi ne?
Nami ngijabulela ukwazi.
Yeah.
How, like, ungangirate out of 10, how would you rate me?
Ayi wena ngakunika 8. Yeah.
Why 8? Where's the other 2?
Indaba man, the other 2 man, ukuthi ish. Still young, ngiyabona mfishane man.
Oh, cause ngimfishane. Bongazi ukuthi abantu abafishane ama-wife material.
Ay, for mina, ish. Akusa my wife material yabona.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ngijabulela ukwazi shem. Mara hayi. You 10 off yo?
Ngithene off.
You're a 10
Hayi
off.
no, inkinga yami yazini ngithanda utshwala kakhulu yabona.
And kumele ubiyeke cause biyakumosha.
Ngosha mama. Uyabona manje ngisayakhona manje.
Cause already so nephuza face.
Kahle kahle.
So like
Yabona.
uyachazeka.
Ngithi mina kakhulu yabona sengidapha ya.
So when uyachazeka
Angichazeki.
manje ungabiyeka.
Lokuthi maye ile way kuyenzakala ngakhona yabo.
Manje mangashela umuntu ucabanga ukuthi uzokuvuma.
Uzofuna imali yami, angeke ngivuma uzofuna imali yami yabo.
Ubonakala njengomuntu angenamali maswela.
Hayi mina ngiyayithola ke sisi ke.
Bese uyisaphi?
Ngiyayiphuza.
Why uyiphuza cause like already nje iphuza face yakho sham iyathusa.
Iyathusa.
Iyathusa sham.
Kwabanye abantu ukuthi ayithusi ke. Kulabantu engiphilisana nabo.
Kusho ukuthi
Ukuthi ayithusi yabo. Ngingangifaka kuma what.
Hello.
Kuma
Ini.
kuma YouTube. Ngingangifaka kuma YouTube. Ngitholakala ngapha kuma YouTube. Into engayifuni yena.
Namanje. Like kunjani yena ublind?
Danga yena ublind ngithola.
Yam Frostan.
Ayifani. Yena ugreen. Ifrostan ikhona ne. But yangithola ile way kenzakala ngakhona.
K out of 10 ungamnika ngaki?
Joma ngisho 8 danga.
Oh,
Ngamnika 8 ya.
Wona
Yeah, ngamnika 8 danga. Iflop alikho lapho yangithola.
Okay, when would you say he's a type?
nah.
Danga yena yazi sibe kanjani. Unama type wakhe. Angathola nje manje. Nomngani wami beka shuthi bekuzama ukuthi akuhlangane mara zangihlangane ngithola. Yeah, kube into kanjalo yabo.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yena type yakho.
Yeah, akusi type yami danga.
She's bad. Look at her.
Danga ugreen danga yena
But she's not your
iyachaza mara imncane danga.
Oh, mncane. Homework.
Ngiyasaba lezo zinto lezo yabona.
Namanje.
Yangithola. Ngiyamsaba umuntu onjalo Prime. Eish.
Hi, babe, everybody. Who am I here with?
Flex Godly.
Who? Flex Godly.
Yeah, a rapper.
A rapper. You rap? Or like trap, drill?
Rap straight. Eminem type shit.
Eminem
type shit.
Okay, where can the people find you?
YouTube on Flex Godly. Young Godly the Goat on Instagram.
Okay, babe. I have a question for you. You as clean as you are.
Okay.
There's no way you don't get hands. Do you get hands?
Nah, I don't get hands anymore. I used to. Now I'm focused on the money.
You focused on the money?
Yeah.
Do you have guava?
Nah, hell nah.
You don't have guava? No, man. It's okay.
I knew this was coming.
How did you know?
I saw her looking at me.
She wants you.
You want me? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see her.
She's not.
She's not, bro.
Okay, babe. Talk to her.
Alright. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Flex. Can I know yours?
I'm Blessing.
Blessing.
Yes.
Hi, Blessing. You look beautiful. And like, bang me off guard. So
Okay.
otherwise, feeling I'm even phoning that I started. I can't talk to you personally. You feel me?
I get you.
Like, you look good. So like, can I have your hands or something so we can chop it up? Like, cause I don't like talking on the camera like this.
I can't give you my numbers.
Because
Because when I look at you, I don't think you're my type.
you don't think I'm your type.
Nah.
What is your type?
My type.
Matter of fact, let's not even go there. I'm not your type.
Yeah, you're not.
Alright, it's cool. Gents, I think y'all got what y'all wanted. Wasn't y'all? I ain't a type.
What?
Imagine. Pretty fella like me ain't a type.
What's the type you call it?
Nah.
Wait, out of
Just
10.
look at me and look at him.
What the fuck you trying to say? What's wrong with me?
Just look at me and
But
look
he's
at him.
clean though.
Yeah, he's clean, but
He's just not what you look for.
That's what no, yeah.
Okay, my like out of 10 like.
yeah, he's clean, Mara. I'd go with a 4.
With a 4.
Damn,
Damn, that's crazy.
that's crazy.
That's crazy. No way, man, I'd give you a 10.
Why are you gay?
That's my cheat.
Straight up.
No,
Okay, yeah, now she's not. Out of
With the
that's
cleanest
just love.
though.
What do you go with?
I mean, like, the way you approached me and stuff.
How did I approach you?
Yo, I mean, like, okay, I came here, ne? But then, like, when we talk, you're not giving me that kind of vibes. So,
I feel you. I ain't gonna argue about that. My nigga,
Straight up. My, out of 10, nigga, like
out of 10, I'm gonna give her a 9 though.
a 9.
Yeah.
At least you're honest. Just because she gave you a 4, you ain't something like, she lit like that.
That's not me.
She lit like that.
She look though.
Okay, I pay. Thanks.
Do your thing, bro.
Straight up. You two do your thing.
What's your name on YouTube?
Oh, Lil Kenji. L-I-L-K, Kenji, Kenji,
Alright.
Straight up.
My niggas, shout out.
Okay, I paid. Who am I here with?
Samsung.
Samsung. Okay, I paid. We are here with Samsung. Man. Samsung, I have a question for you. Do you have Guababa? You do? Why?
Nah.
You don't know, like, woman, don't worry. Today is your lucky day. We will fix it. We want to fix it. It's okay. Pull out. Don't worry.
I don't wanna fix it.
You don't want to fix it. But look at her. She's bad, ne?
Nah, you know, guys.
She's not, ne? Okay, can you like hold you and ask me a question?
Why?
Ask me and her a question. Since when you don't want to...
What kind of a question?
Nah, hold, then I'll tell you what to ask her. Okay, ne, this is your time to shine, ne? Talk to her.
One shop.
Nah, talk to her.
No.
Anything, just talk to her.
Nah. It's too late. You gotta lie. I mean.
You are
Talk to
shaky,
her.
my guy. Even
Okay,
shaking was
come
not
back.
enough.
Come back. Okay, I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna show him. You're running. Yeah, walking, running.
uyishangani na?
Aibo.
Hayi, kapa lakhe, yo, hayi. Khulu kakhulu ngathi le size le yangale eZimbabwe.
Taki.
I mean, like, yo, yeah.
Nigga just
Go back. Ngathi ngakagida ungathi isangoma.
nigga just ran. Shit you bad, man. Can you like do a 360 for the fence? Bomb focus, dog. What the fuck? How? Did you capture that? Or she should look at these guys. Look at this. Look. Tashi, come back. That's why they call me Kenji, bro. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. We're still looking for more people. Let's go crazy.
Give me a pot, I'ma save you a drip. Tryna hold on like a burn on a wrist. Don't got some daily, please go take a sip. If you need some water, taking a sip. Watching me win, being keeping you dry. Me and my homies been moving too fast. She got me wet that she sound like a bag of rice. Now I just gotta die.